In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fund your Google Ads account easily. If you're ready to get started with promoting your business through Google Ads, adding funds to your account is a vital step. Let's walk through this process together so that you can be up and running with your advertising campaigns in no time. First things first, you need to navigate to the Google Ads homepage. Simply type in Google Ads in your browser or use the direct link provided in the video description below. Once there, you'll notice a sign in button right on the homepage. Clicking on this will prompt you to enter your Google account credentials. So go ahead and log in. If you're already logged into your Google account, you'll be taken straight to the Google Ads home dashboard. Now that you're logged into your account and on the Google Ads dashboard, look over to the navigation bar on the left-hand side. There, you should see an option that says Billing. When you click on Billing, a series of new options related to your account's financial settings will appear. Next, you want to select Payment Methods from the drop-down list. This will bring you to a page where you can manage existing payment methods linked to your account or add new ones. It's worth taking a moment here to review your current payment methods. If any are already set up, this helps ensure everything is in order. The next step is to click on Add Payment Method. This is the crucial part where you'll begin the process of funding your account. When you click on this, a window will pop up with a few options that might include adding a credit or debit card, linking a bank account, or possibly other local payment options available in your region. Choose the option that best fits your needs and enter the required details carefully. If you're adding a card, double check that the numbers, expiration date, and CVV are correct. Similarly, if you're linking to a bank account, ensure all the details are in order to avoid any mishaps later on. Once your payment method is set up securely, take a moment to review everything once more. Confirm that all details are accurate to avoid any hiccups in future transactions. When you're satisfied with the setup, go ahead and save your payment method. And there you have it, your Google Ads account is now funded, and you can begin setting up advertising campaigns to reach new customers. Keep in mind that you can always return to this section if you need to update or change your payment information in the future. Happy advertising, and may your campaigns be successful in driving more traffic to your business.